The AK-47 with the new Magpul AK-47 mags. That flower right there on those cans. A little bit of Tannerite, just a little bit of Tannerite under it. Let's see how this goes.
Just taste around.
Damn!
Just a little bit of Tannerite.
Here's the whole part. Yeah, he missed it. He jumped.
Yeah, I jumped.
This is the aftermath of what you just saw. I put 2 bags of flour on top, and it was just a little bit, about a quarter pound of Tannerite. This can right here was intact. We just did that. Shit, the big old can, put that big old hole in it. Tannerite is perfectly legal, in this state at least. Don't know about the one you're in. And subscribe, like, add the favorites. Do all that good shit.
Alright, so we're going to try and make this wall come down. We got some Tannerite. Let's see if we can do it.
Okay, hold on.
Okay, he's gonna shoot that. That was pretty nice. How'd you like it?
Try to shoot some Tannerite. Probably won't hit it, but guess I'll check. Get some shelter.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yep, gonna shoot some Tannerite.
Alright, make sure you film this.
Gonna make some grapefruit juice.
Firing.
Ooh, grapefruit juice.
Nice. Open your mouth.
Nice. You get any grapefruit juice on you?
No.
No? You?
What?
You get any grapefruit?
Brad in the background saying,
Something hit my leg.
Go look at it. Let's go look.
I'm gonna stand behind him.
Firing.
Everybody trying to hide behind everybody. Alright. Pretty nice, pretty nice. That's the hole left. With that high, about 3 inches into the ground. That's the hole. There's the can. Blew that shit up. Got a little Tannerite. This is what we're using today. Some Tannerite. Shake it. Just 2 little parts. Has some white stuff. You take these little containers, you mix it, you put it in here, shake it, becomes that black look to it, and then you put it in here, and then you blow it up. Get ready to watch some explosions. Hey, we're still shooting, you didn't know that. Recording, chilling, having fun. Get ready to watch some nice explosives going on here at the farm. Peace.